Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best cabinet locks. Child safety strap locks, 4-pack, for fridge. Adjustable straps are great to child-proof fridges, cabinets, drawers, oven, washer machine, toilets, closet, waste bin, etc. It's our goal to make homes a place where parents can always feel secure and have less worries. Jewel Baby works with our local community in New Jersey, educating them on child safety as well as donating free products plus a portion of profits to some of their less fortunate families. The adjustable strap locks are simple and quick to install. It can take up to a minute to chill-proof your appliances, made with strong adhesive to last. Doric sliding cabinet locks. This allows you to flexibly adjust the lock to different handles and configurations. These baby-proof magnets without drilling are hidden from view so that even the smartest toddlers cannot go around them. Squeeze both buttons simultaneously to unlock, which is easy for adults but certainly difficult for babies. Cabinet locks child safety 12-pack. These safety locks for your child require no key to open the locked cabinets. No worries about losing keys. These locks are designed for the inside of drawers and cabinets, which will not get your curious baby's attention or destroy the beauty of your furniture. These locks are easy to install, peel, stick, and you're all done. It really doesn't get easier than that. You don't need to drill or screw anything. 20-pack magnetic cabinet locks. Improved locks, extra stronger, magnetic enough to keep a house cat or toddles out. Child-proofing locks with magnet key control. Most other brand child locks only work on 0.75–1.00 thick cabinet's door. If your cabinet's door thick over 1.00 inches, the other brand locks will not work for you. The magnetic baby safety lock is to keep your curious little kids away from drawers and cupboards filled with dangerous tools or chemicals with simple, allowing you to have peace of mind while your children explore your home. CUTESAFETY sliding cabinet locks. This is a child-proof product that used to keep cupboard, cabinet etc. doors closed with a smart sliding mechanism enabling easy adult access. This is a multi-purpose product with wide range of usage. Can be used on all kinds of mushroom-shaped knobs, levers and D-shaped or annular handles, such as those of cabinets, side-by-side refrigerators, cupboards, storage doors etc. It is difficult for little ones to figure it out and unlock. Safety cabinet locks have smooth edges so your toddler can examine them and not get poked or scratched. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.